feeling drained, heavy, or emotionally overwhelmed, it might not just be stress, it could be your aura picking up negative energies. Hi, I'm Umer, an energy healer, and in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to cleanse your aura using one of the simplest yet most powerful techniques, the salt water method. This method helps you release negativity, feel lighter, and recharge your inner peace. Your aura is your energetic field. It surrounds your body and reflects your physical, emotional, and spiritual state. When you absorb too much negativity from environments or people, your aura can feel blocked or heavy. Thank you for watching. I hope this saltwater method brings light and clarity into your life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might need an energetic cleanse. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried this, or if you want me to guide you through a live session. Stay blessed and protected.